Hi, I'm Monica with Facewear Makeup and Skin, and today I'm going to ask you if you have cranky skin. Let's say you haven't been able to drink or breathe for a long time. Would you be cranky? I think you would be. I think you'd be irritated, you'd be aggravated, you'd be a very unhappy person. And so this could be happening to your skin. If you have too much dead skin, your skin isn't able to absorb the nutrients it needs. It's not able to breathe oxygen, and it's not able to hold moisture. So it's not able to drink in all the moisturizer, the oils, anything you're using. It's just kind of laying on top, kind of floating around. It's not penetrating. You want your skin to absorb the nutrients that you're spending a lot of money on. If you're using serums, if you're using oils, you're using moisturizers, and you're putting it on top and you're not getting that dead skin layer off, it's never penetrating. What you need to do right away is exfoliate. So the anise green tea and the oatmeal adzuki exfoliant is the #1 thing that you should be doing to your skin to avoid and relieve your skin from being cranky. These two products will change your skin. It will create a healthy skin. So the anise on its own has so many ingredients in it that are going to help cleanse your skin, keep your skin clean of bacteria, while also promoting a healthy skin environment. It has organic anise oil, it has green tea extract, it has burdock root extract, which is going to help regulate the oil production. The green tea is an antioxidant, so it's going to help fight off free radicals. It's going to help with all the pollutants that are naturally found in the air. It's going to help with cleaning out the skin. It's also an anti-irritant. And then the anise is great. Anise oil not only gives the cleanser a nice aroma, it's going to help wake you up, the same as peppermint oil in it. It's also beneficial. It helps to tone the skin. By toning, I mean keep it tight. It actually helps to tighten the skin. So it's great for anti-aging, but it's also going to help kill the bacteria and fight inflammation that could be going on if you have irritated skin or if you are more prone to breakouts. It's going to help it before it could start. Then we have the oatmeal adzuki exfoliant. The colloidal oatmeal it creates a barrier on the skin first, so it helps to hold on to moisture, but it also is a very gentle exfoliant, so it's going to help exfoliate the skin without irritating it. Then it has adzuki bean. Adzuki bean has been used for centuries in Japanese skincare. The adzuki bean knows to eat just the dead skin cells. It's not going to eat the healthy skin cells that you need. It's only going to help get rid of the dead skin cells. So this is so important and an amazing ingredient. Then it has bamboo powder, which soothes the skin but helps to exfoliate. So it has so many good ingredients in it. So it's very easy to use. I suggest doing it twice a day. If you can't do it twice a day, do it at least once a day. You really should be exfoliating once. I suggest twice a day to make sure your skin has a healthy skin environment. Your skin is the largest organ in your body. Your skin needs to absorb moisture, it needs to breathe, and it needs to absorb its nutrients. If you treat your skin like a piece of plastic, like a synthetic material, rather than a living organism, your skin is not going to be happy. It's going to be very cranky. Treat your skin like a living organism. It needs to breathe. It needs to have nourishment, and it needs to drink. It needs the moisture. So anise green tea, oatmeal adzuki exfoliant. You have to start doing it now. It's very important.